Hey guys, and welcome to Life and Pig Grow. And today we're going to be looking at seed sowing, and in particular dahlia seed sowing. It's the right time of year to be sowing dahlia seeds at the moment, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So today I'm sowing Dahlia Bishop's Children, and these are great plants. I treat them almost like an annual now, and they're very similar to Cosmos in the shape and size of them, and they're incredibly easy to sow. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So all I'm going to do is, this compost is moist. We all hate that word, don't we? And the reason it's moist is because I pre-watered it. And all I'm going to do is make a little indentation as we go down. So there should be 8 in a tray. No more, don't overcrowd them. Then I'm going to take the seed one at a time. I'm going to pop it into that indentation. And again, like so, just pop them in. Pop them in. Keep track of where you are, because it's quite easy to lose these seed because they're dark and the soil is dark. And again, and again, and again, and again. There we go. And all I'm going to do is pinch them close. There you go. Make sure the seed's down. Pinch them close. Pinch them close. And that's one tray done. Now I'm going to do the other trays. So they're all labelled now. So what I do with labels is very simple. Just take one off. Put the name there and the date of sowing, which today is the 6th of February. So we always film a couple of weeks in advance. You can do this right through to March, early April. So what now? Put them in a heated propagator, if you have one. If you don't, put them on a warm windowsill, something over a radiator, and they will germinate, and they'll germinate really quickly. And when they've got 2-3 leaves on, pot them on. Put them into more compost, into their own little pots, and they'll grow on really quickly. And we'll look at that later in the year, what to do next to get a really bushy dahlia. And I will guarantee this, if we have a warm summer, these will flower their socks off this year. So, until next time, it's goodbye from me, Andrew at Life and Pig Grow. And if you enjoy what we're doing, don't forget you can like and subscribe at any time. Until next time, bye bye.